Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Beth. Today I got 3 glass DIYs for you. I am taking part in the She Made What collab, which I'll talk about in a little bit. All right, so I got this little glass candle holder quite a while ago from Dollar Tree, and then the glass little plate thing. So I am going to take off those little, they're really easy to take off. You just heat them up. You can scrape, I couldn't find my scraper, but you can just pick them off. Very easy to do. And then kind of wipe around to get rid of that residue. So I did that. And I'm going to Mod Podge the back side of this. I want the smoother side. There's kind of a smoother side and a rougher side. I want the smoother side. So I'm going to Mod Podge first because I think that helps the paint. You know, I've had issues with painting glass if it's not a specific type of paint. But this paint's really good. I'm going to use, it's by DIY Paint Company. I've been using it for years. A very good paint. It's chalk and clay. Anyway. Petticoat pink. I cannot talk today. What a beautiful color. It's a very, very light pink. I really, really like it. So it took a few coats. No big deal. But yeah, I went ahead and painted the top. And then I also did the exact same thing with the candlestick. But what I'm doing here is I have this stamp. It's a script stamp, and I'm using, it's called Vintage Photo ink, Distress Oxide ink. And you can use whatever ink you want. Anyway, I'm going to stamp the top of it. I just thought it gave it such a cute look. I'm going a little shabby chic today. And yeah, so I stamped the top of it. And then with the candle holder, we're just going to distress it a little bit. I like that look, you know. And then, very simple, we are going to glue the candle holder. So I'm just making a little riser. We're going to glue the candle holder to the bottom of that glass plate thing. And again, if you can't find the same stuff, any candle holder, you can get it from thrift stores. They have them all the time. Any type of little glass plate, it'll be the same look. And any color you like, that sort of thing. So I'm going to use this Gorilla Super Glue, which I really, really like, and then a little bit of hot glue. And we're just going to glue this on. It's set up super quick, and it's sturdy. So that is what I did. I so hope you like it. All right. So again, my name is Mary Beth. And if you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I do all different types of DIYs. I like different styles. I like shabby chic, rustic, little farmhouse, whatever. I like to do a lot of things, and I like to mix and match. So I would appreciate it. And if you are an existing subscriber, thank you so much for returning and for always supporting me. We're getting so close to 6,000. It's so exciting. Oh, so thank you so much. All right, so look at this cute little riser. This stool I did is going to be in an upcoming DIY. It was a lot of fun to do. So there's the riser. I showed you with something on it and with something not on it. All right, She Made What collab. This is a really fun collab. You can see all the creators involved in this, and we're so excited to be bringing you items made out of glass. So please make sure to check out the playlist link. I'll have it linked below in the description box, and go support all these amazing creators. All right, so the next one is this picture frame. Of course, it has a glass insert, and I'm going to use the color called Fancy Farm Girl, I believe, or Farm Girl Fancy Farm Girl. Anyway, it's a beautiful green. And so we're going to paint the frame itself. And that cardboard piece is like, I got this at a thrift store, by the way, or an estate sale. I can't remember, or a garage sale, someplace like that. And yeah, so it's kind of attached, so I couldn't remove it. And that's okay. We're going to cover it up anyway. All right, and then I'm going to take some white wax, and I just want to wax this pretty good because I really want the ornate part, or whatever you call it, to really show through and stand out. And so I went ahead and waxed it pretty well, and then I do wipe it down with like a lint-free cloth, and I think it turned out really cute. I got the inside really well because there's some wood on the inside, etc. No big deal. Looks really, really good. And what we're going to do, what we're going to put in here is so adorable. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to show you. All right. So rubbin' buff. Looks great. I think it looks great. I really like it. Okay. So this glass that we have, We are going to take a piece of scrapbook paper, and I strategically cut it to have that flower showing. I really liked it. And then a piece of vellum paper. It's kind of like a cloudy see-through paper. If you're not familiar, and you can get it at any craft store. And then I'm just going to glue it over like that. So the vellum, I didn't want to glue on the front, so it stays on there, as you can see. And it kind of softens it up a little bit. And I'll explain why here in a moment. Well, it looks good softened up, but there's another reason. So we're just going to glue this, stick glue it, no big deal, whatever glue you like, to that cardboard. And also insert the glass back in on top. And what we're making here, obviously, is a beautiful picture, which you could leave just like that with the glass, because it's a glass DIY. But what I thought would be fun is you can use alcohol markers, or you could use like the whiteboard, markers, and write whatever you want on there. So I took a black, I think it's a Copic alcohol marker. It doesn't matter. Alcohol marker. Sharpies are also alcohol, by the way. Anyway, and so you can get it off. It might not be as easy as a whiteboard marker, but it worked. And I just wrote, "Hello, Spring." And I think it turned out so pretty. So let me know what you think about that one. I think it's so cute. And again, you wouldn't have to write on it, but I just thought that was a cool little idea. So there's a couple pictures for you. I really hope you like it. All right, final DIY. This is a pretty quick video. Look at these. I got these at a garage sale. I believe it was like a church garage sale. And anyway, so what I decided to do, I did buy this kit from Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and it has a primer, a copper, and a patina. Okay. And so what you do is this is super simple. The only thing that takes a while is some wait time. So you put this primer on. I know it's a weird color, but that's the primer. And you just put it all over. And then I believe you do need to let it sit like 12 hours. So I just let it sit overnight. No big deal. I did it later at night, and then the next day I could get at it. Once you put the primer on and let it sit for, I believe it was 12 hours, there's instructions. Again, this is so easy, you guys, but it's an amazing result. And you're like, where's the glass? Well, we'll get there. All right, so then you take the copper, which is step 2, and you just paint that copper on. You do not need to let it like 12 hours. You just let it dry pretty good. I can't remember how long I let that sit, but, just make sure. Or wait, I can't remember the instructions. Maybe you don't wait for it to fully dry. Whatever. The instructions are in the packet. And then you take the patina, and there's a little squirt bottle thing that they give you, and you just start squirting all over the place, and it's really cool. It takes a little bit, but all of a sudden you will see the patina coming through, like it's aged and been around forever and through elements and all that goodness. It's so beautiful. And so I did both of them. One is a little shorter than the other one. And yeah, I just sprayed, and wait till you see these results. And again, we're getting to the glass. I promise. It's not a big deal, but I had to have some glass in it, right? But look at that. Oh my gosh. Sorry about all the paints on my desk, but look at how amazingly beautiful that is. So with glass, I thought it's a perfect candlestick for like a glass pillar. I know I didn't really do a DIY with glass, but you could paint the glass. You could do whatever you wanted with it. I just used a clear glass with a white candle in there, as you can see. And I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. All right, final reveal. Here we go. Look how amazing it looks. I really hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some inspiration. Please do not forget to check out the amazing creators in this playlist. I would definitely just run through them all. You're going to get tons of inspiration to use with glass items, which you can find, oh my gosh, if you go to any thrift store, garage sale, there's always glass. So many options. And of course, even the Dollar Tree or wherever, or things, mason jars, pasta sauce jars. I'm just giving you a lot of ideas. Anyway, I hope this gave you some inspiration. Please let me know which one's your favorite and what you like about it. And we will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.